Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Saturday, so grammar, and we have not yet completed subject verb agreement. And today, this is my third and last video on subject verb agreement. Collective nouns, we know that takes what singular verb, because collective nouns means team, group, in one team, in one group, that all the objects, they are doing the same action, so that's why they take what that is singular verb. But in that collective nouns also sometimes we can find that the members who are there in a group or in a team, they are doing different actions, so naturally then it will take plural verb. So let's come to the example. The committee has passed the bill. Here the committee, this is collective noun, and has, that is singular subject, singular verb, because here that committee, that in the committee, that whoever the members were there, all of them were agreed and they had passed the bill. Here it has taken the singular verb. But the committee are divided on this issue. So in a committee, so many members are there, so they are having different opinions, so here it is taking, that's why the verb, that is are, plural verb. In the very beginning already I told you that actually that we have to very minutely, very carefully observe the subject, the action of the subject, that whether it is singular or plural, and accordingly we have to use the that verb. And that sometimes maybe they appear as singular or as plural, but they are doing the opposite. Now the herd of cattle, cattle means you know that the animals, and herd means that when the animals, they are together, then suppose that the cows, the bulls, they are called that cattle. The herd of cattle has been fed. So that means that that when there are so many what that bulls or cows or that animals together, all of them has been fed. So here the herd of cattle, too, this is collective noun, and all of them are doing the same work, so it has taken the singular verb. The team of players, so that suppose cricket team, football team, that players, that together they are one team, so the team of players are different on the views. So in cricket, in football, you know that different players, they can have the different opinions, so that time that though that is collective noun, but the members, they are doing the different actions, so that's why it is taking the plural verb. Okay, now some subjects are there, some nouns are there, apparently they look like plural, but actually their meaning is singular, like news, physics, mathematics, furniture. These nouns look like plural, but actually they are singular in meaning, so they take singular subjects. The news is broadcasted every day. Physics is his favorite subject. Okay, now spectacles, pants, shoes, trousers, these are always plural. But when that before these subjects that are pair of, that is that singular indicating that phrase, so when that before these words, this phrase will be there, then you have to use singular verb. So my spectacles are not clean. Spectacles, they are always plural, so when my spectacles are not clear, not clean, then it is taking plural verb. But a pair of shoes, when two shoes are together making a pair of shoes, then obviously that it will take singular verb. A pair of shoes is not enough for a school going child. Now, distance, time, amount, weight, length. These take singular verb. A certain amount of this, they take always a singular verb. So 10 miles, though 10 but miles, but that is together, that is that indicating that a certain amount of distance. So that 10 miles is a comfortable distance to drive. 1000 rupees is a lot of money. 2 quintal of rice is enough to feed. 2 quintals of rice is enough to feed. 12 inches is the size of a ruler. So here that I already told you that distance, time, amount, weight, length, these take always singular verb, because though that the noun is plural, but this is actually telling a certain amount. So that's why it is that taking plural verb. So the students that I hope soon we will meet that in the offline classes, but before that you have to be very much punctual and you have to be very much careful. And another thing, that in the groups I am sending you the invitation, that message, but still the students are getting confused and they are asking me, I can't understand, because it is written over there, day, date, timing, everything I am mentioning. Then also why you are getting confused, that is unknown to me. So you be very much careful whenever you are noticing something, you are watching something, be very much careful. Okay, thank you everybody, have a nice day.